I was asked to demonstrate how you could get the information of a certain element or certain node and display it. So I implemented this little box here where, depending on the element that's selected, I'm just showing related information. Now let's look how I did it. So the box, I implemented a function which take a scene and a node ID. First thing I do is I look for the nodes that share that same ID in scene.vim nodes. If I find such a node, I'm just looking to see that it's in the bounds of the face list. I capture the element, and from the element I can go and get the element name, category name, workset name, model name, and then I display it on the screen. And that's where I have this box here.